Guys, let's wrap this thing up. Problem number 3. We're about to finish our homework here. Each table presents a proportional relationship. And for each, find the constant of proportionality and then write an equation that represents the relationship. So we got to do 2 things for each table. First of all, finding the constant of proportionality is as simple as taking your value in the table that's on the right in the y's place, which in our case would be p, and dividing by a corresponding s value. So on the table on the left, it would be as simple as taking 8 and dividing by 2, which is simply 4. So the constant on this one is 4, and what that tells us is what we can multiply the left side by to get the right. So we're multiplying by 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 4 is 20, 10 times 4 is blah, 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 blah. And then we have to write an equation. And the equation starts with p. So it's saying, what do I do with p to get, what do I do with s to get what p equals? And we've kind of already shown that. We take s and we multiply it by 4. So our equation would look like this. P equals 4s. We take s, we multiply by 4, we get p. We take s2, we multiply by 4, we get p8. We take s3, multiply by 4, you get the idea. So that's the equation that we're looking for. Get the constant, write the equation. The equation is always going to be your constant multiplied by your variable that's in the x location. Let's do the second one. All right. This is actually for a circle. Diameter and circumference are related by this special number that we're about to find out. If we take the circumference, okay, to find the constant here, we take c, and it's in the y place, and we divide by the d, which is in the x place. We would take, let's use the easy one here, down here at the bottom. Dividing by 10 is so easy. 31.4, and we divide by 10. We just move the decimal one place to the left. That gives us a constant of, this number should look familiar because it is the approximation of pi, an irrational number. So the constant, you can write 3.14, or approximately pi. So our equation would equal c equals 3.14 multiply, you take that multiplication, that's what you're multiplying your constant by to get c. I multiply the d by 3.14 and I get c. So 3.14 times d. And if you look at it a little closer, it is the formula for circumference. Circumference equals pi, 3.14 times diameter. That's how you find it. So they actually used a common circle formula to set up that proportion. Alright, and that is your homework. We're done.